choose A only, B only, or both A and B, or none, right? But it breaks down fats into fine droplets, so that's A only, because bile is the one that secretes juice through the bile duct to break fats into fine droplets. 1.2.2, an organ that helps farm animals to distinguish between different feeds. And that's B only, because the tongue has taste buds and the tongue can feel the type of feed. So it can feel the type of feed in the mouth, whether it's rough, soft. 1.2.3, the ability of farm animals to maintain a constant body temperature. That's B only, which is homeothermic. Why? Because it meets the definition of homeothermic. 1.2.4, it says poisonous plants that should be prevented by avoiding storing feeds under wet conditions. And the answer is none. Because we see thorn apple poison bulb, but that's not the answer, because the correct answer should be maize fungus, not this. 1.2.5, hormones used in synchronizing oestrus in cows, and the answer is both A and B. Okay, here my spelling. Prostaglandin and progesterone are the ones. Number 1, the enzyme, it says give one term for each of the following descriptions. Okay, so 3.1.1, 1.3.1, the enzyme that breaks down starch molecules, especially in pigs, that's amylase, is the one that is responsible for breaking starch. Okay, 3.2, small area where sheep are kept under intensive conditions and fed for maximum production. Okay, so that's a feedlot. This reflects commercial farming, okay, meaning we fatten them for the market. So this is my views, not for the answer. I'm just talking, right? So what happens is that a fattened animal will be sold first at the auction, but if it is not fattened, then it might not get a buyer. That's the reality of it. So if you want to take a cow to the market, you need to fatten it first, right? 1.3.3, it says a reproductive technique where semen is collected from a superior bull and deposited into the reproductive tract of a cow in oestrus. Reproductive tract, that's a vagina. It is not a natural process and humans are involved, so that's artificial insemination. 1.3.4, cows that need to mate 3 or more times before conceiving that's repeat breeders. Why? Because they need to be repeated again and again. Just like those TikTok dancers, they need to practice the dance again and again and again. So by the time they shoot that video, so they are perfect. And when that dance challenge start to trend, then you will see, that's a very good dance challenge, right? 1.3.5, the inability of a bull to save his cows that are in oestrus, even though it has interest, that's impotence. Right, that's impotence. 1.4, it says change the underlined words in each of the following statements to make them true. These underlined words, they are not true. Right, it says energy refers to the energy left after deducting energy loss through heat from metabolic energy. So if we minus heat energy from metabolic energy, then we are left with net energy. So the correct answer is net energy. 1.4.2, the introduction of natural enemies to control parasites infestation in a is A. So the introduction of animal enemies, the introduction of natural enemies to control parasite infestation is a method. So it's a biological method, meaning we use natural live animals or insects or other natural enemies. Mostly we see it in organic farming. The releases an enzyme that assists the sperm cell to penetrate the ovum. So that's acrosome. It's like a cap on the head of the sperm cell. Yes, that's correct. That's the acrosome. 1.4.4 happens when sexually mature female animals show no signs of standing heat. So we have oestrus, which is when the cows are on heat, but oestrus, that's when cows are not on heat. So correct answer, that's anoestrus, which is A-N, then oestrus. Is a one term, one sentence. One term, not one sentence, one term. Yeah, that's one term. 1.4.5 is the period refers to the period in cows between two lactations. Period that refers to the period in cows between two lactation. Alright, so that's dry period. Dry period is the period between two lactation calves. Yeah, two lactation period.